As I said, a question could come in the exam. They'll be like, given this geometric series, what is the sum to infinity? They'll ask a question like this. Because normally you guys are used to what is S2? You know that you're gonna add the first two terms. Just copy them and add them. What is S3? You know that you just copy them copy them and then add them. What is S10, for example? You then gonna use the formula, right? The relevant formula for the sum of a geometric series, depending on the value of R. If R is greater than 1, you know which formula to use. If R is less than 1, you know which formula to use, right? Sharp. They ask you S100, you do the same thing. You're gonna use this formula or that formula depending on what R is, right? Sharp. Now, they could ask you what is, instead of them saying what is the sum, it's a question, sum of the first 100 terms. That's basically them asking S100, ne? It's a question, S100, ne? You'd use like this, this formula in this case because our R is like less than 1, right? A question could come and say, what is the sum to infinity? What does this question mean? What is the sum to infinity? It just means they're looking for this, man. They're looking for this 2/3. Like, what is this answer to which the Sn gets to when n approaches infinity? It is 2/3 in this specific example. No, so that's what they're looking for. They ask you, what is sum to infinity? Ne? Sum to infinity. They're looking for that this number, this value to which the sum gets to when n goes to infinity, as n gets higher. That's what they're looking for. You'd be pleased to know that there's a formula for that as well. And the formula goes, I got the sum to infinity. It goes Sn equals a over 1 minus r. The derivation of it, I'm going to show you at a later stage. I don't want to bombard you with the derivations. We'll show you before the exam. It's just a 2-minute thing. It's not really like a big thing. I'm going to show you. Yeah, sure. This is the sum, the formula for the sum to infinity. They ask you to find that value where, as you can imagine, A represents the first term, R represents the constant ratio. You guys can see what that is. Let us see, sorry, not sum Sn, sorry, sum to infinity, sorry. They put that sign, infinity sign. Now let us find sum to infinity for this example we're working on. Our A, what is our A, guys? Let's substitute. What is our A, the first term for this series? One over 3, proper stuff. This is how you punch in your calculator, right? You're going to put it like this. You put this in brackets like that over 1 minus what is our R? Constant ratio. 1 over 2, yeah? So since you know that 1 over 2 is 0.5, just put 0.5 like that, né? So that it is quicker for you to punch onto your calculator. Né? That's one of the shortcuts. That's what separates the best students from the average ones or the good ones. Okay, so I'm going to ask you guys, each of you punch it. Remember, you need to know how to punch quick. Please, can you punch this for me and tell me the answer? T over 3, né? That's 0.66666, né? T over 3. Delicious. So this is how you sort of find this value. If they ask you in the exam, use that formula. This formula doesn't take 2 seconds to memorize. Can you memorize it now? Please don't be looking for it